Cooking as mindful stress relief. Imagine coming home after a long day and finding peace, not stress, in your kitchen. Cooking offers an extraordinary chance to unwind. By focusing on the simple act of preparing a meal, you create a serene space to be present and relish the transformative power of gratitude. Start by acknowledging the vibrant colors of your ingredients. Pay attention to the soothing sounds as you slice and sauté. Each action becomes a gentle reminder to slow down and appreciate the present moment, turning your kitchen into a sanctuary of peace amidst your busy life. As you cook, embrace gratitude for the nourishment and creativity it provides. Recognize the effort and care involved in every dish you prepare. This focus fuels a positive mindset, helping you to manage stress better and increase your appreciation for the small joys in every bite. Cooking is more than a task, it is a daily retreat from the chaos of a hectic schedule. Allow yourself to fully engage in this moment of mindfulness, converting culinary activities into a practice of presence and patience. It's an opportunity to cement gratitude into the everyday. Now, step into your kitchen and transform your cooking routine into a mindful journey. Appreciate the moments of calm and let stress melt away with each recipe you craft. Share your experience and inspire others to find peace in cooking. Embrace this path toward stress relief and gratitude in daily life.